Too afraid to leave their home, Arfin Chowdhury and his family finally got the in-home shot they'd been asking for.
If someone is physically, psychologically, mentally not feeling safe to go outside of the clinic, they can call themselves as homebound.
28 people at Rebecca Towers got a shot at home this weekend. Others took the city up on reserved walk-in spots at First Ontario.
All of us, we have different reasons why we're not leaving the house.
The doctors were so nice. They just made us feel really comfortable.
The Rebecca Towers Tenant Committee say it was a great success, and some residents want the city to offer more in-home vaccinations to homebound people in apartments, not just those in outbreak.
Because it's really difficult for people who are differently able, for people like us with young children, and for people who have pre-existing health conditions.
City officials have previously said homebound vaccinations should be a last resort. The tenants hoped everyone would be vaccinated on site given the outbreak, which has now grown to 110 cases, and concerns about transmission. But public health has repeatedly said they don't have the resources, and other city officials have expressed concerns about setting a precedent for other apartment buildings.
The vaccination plan is better than nothing.
Suad Badri lives at the Village Apartments, which is dealing with its own outbreak of 71 cases, and has the same vaccination plan as Rebecca Towers. She says efforts by building management and tenants, like this flyer, and volunteers spreading the word in different languages, is the only way the city's plan can really work.
What we were looking for was like an on-site clinic. It would have been much, much better.
Tenants at Rebecca Towers also say their own efforts are making the city plan work, like these multilingual flyers. Just like at the Village Apartments, management here at Wellington Place issued a flyer with instructions on how to get your COVID-19 vaccination. It asked people with mobility issues, as well as those currently self-isolating, to get in touch with property management to help arrange an on-site vaccination. Wellington Place's outbreak has grown to 43. Resident Jean-Simon Chenard has been calling for an on-site clinic, but ended up taking a slot at First Ontario.
We have the outbreak right now, so I don't want to get sick, and I think the sooner the better.
We asked Public Health if they have developed a policy for handling apartment outbreaks in the future, but didn't hear back by our deadline. Matt Ingram, CHCH News, Hamilton.